If you're not getting enough great sleep, your life will suck. Sleep is the most important factor in your wellness game, and without it, everything else begins to suffer. You get fat, your mood sucks, you start to look old, your memory gets worse, you crave the wrong foods, you don't recover from workouts, and you get sick more often than you should. Sleep is when your body does all the growing and repairing it needs to keep you performing at your best. It's easy to mess it up, but there's also some simple things you can do to sleep way better, guaranteed. Here's 5 hacks that'll make a huge difference to your sleep. Number 1, wake up with the sun. Your sleep-wake cycle works on a 24-hour clock, and that clock starts counting from when you first get light in your eyes in the morning. Wake up as close to sunrise as possible and go outside. Get sun on your face and chest, and especially into your eyes. This helps reset your body clock, making you feel alert during the day and sleepy at night. Number 2, reduce bright artificial light at night. Exposing yourself to bright lights at night confuses your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This delays the onset of melatonin, which means your REM and deep sleep only start later at night, and so you'll miss a lot of the healing potential. Use warm yellow and orange lamps below eye level. Turn off overly bright household lights. Use blue blocking glasses. Number 3, go to sleep slightly hungry. This one takes some discipline, but the effects this has on your deep sleep makes it worth it. Try eat your last meal 4 or more hours before you plan on going to sleep. When your digestive system is empty, your body is able to get into deep sleep much faster and easier, which means you'll sleep like a baby. Number 4, chill out, man. For your body to drop into restorative sleep as fast as possible, your body temperature needs to drop a few degrees. Try one of these. Sleep with your arms and legs outside the covers. Take an ice bath before you sleep if you have one. Soak your hands and feet in cold water. Go to sleep on top of the covers or take a cold shower. Getting into bed when you're really cold helps you drift off faster. Number 5, prep your room. Keep your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Use blockout blinds to stop light from coming in. Don't have tons of clutter surrounding your bed. Don't charge devices in your bedroom. Switch off all the sockets in your room. No devices in the bedroom at all. Sleep in complete darkness and cover all small LED lights. Give your sleep the attention it deserves. Implement some of these hacks and let me know how it goes.